Hey everyone! Depicter just got a big new update. It's packed with fresh tools and smart improvements to help you design faster and stand out effortlessly. Let's take a quick look at what's new. Animation Wizard. With the new Animation Wizard, you can animate all existing elements at once. Just one click, and every element gets well-balanced, harmonious animations that feel perfectly in sync. Teaser. Create small, customizable teaser elements specifically for your pop-ups. They help you grab attention and encourage users to open the main pop-up when they're ready. New icon set. Depicter now features a refreshed icon collection, cleaner, lighter, and built for faster performance. Hidden input fields. Forms now support hidden input fields, so you can pass extra data behind the scenes for advanced workflows, tracking, and integrations. Mailchimp Integration. You can now connect your forms directly to Mailchimp and send submissions straight to your audience lists automatically. Leads Directory. All your collected leads can now be viewed and managed right inside the editor, keeping things organized and easy to follow. And that's everything new in Depicter. Try out these features and let us know which one's your favorite. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep creating amazing experiences with Depicter.